Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change the background of a picture in Canva. I'll be showing you two options, how to do it on the Pro plan and also how to do it completely free. To do it on the Pro plan, all you'll have to do is simply tap on the pic that you would like to change the background for. Then you are going to select Share in the top right hand corner, and from here you are going to tap on Download. Then you'll simply tap on transparent background and you'll simply tap on download. So for example, I'll simply put in the page name and you'll simply download that page. Another option that you could do if you want to do it for free is by simply going into your search bar on Google or whichever browser you're using and type in remove.bg. After you have selected remove.bg, let's say I want to change the background for this pic, all I'll have to do is simply download the picture. Once you have downloaded it, you're going to go on remove.bg and you're going to simply drag and paste that pic. Then you're going to tap on download. And once you have tapped on download, you'll download the pic for completely free. Then all you have to do now is simply go back onto Canva, and once on Canva you're going to upload that picture without the background. And now that you have uploaded the pic without the background, all you have to do now is simply tap on the pic. Then you can tap on any free space, and from here you are going to see background in the left hand menu option. You're going to tap on background. Then you can select the background that you would like to change the pic to, as you can see right here. You can select any one of these backgrounds or you can upload your own background. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.